The MSC started at the request of the hosiery industry. We were called the Hosiery Technology Center. In 1990, you pretty much had two kinds of socks. You had black socks to go to church, you had white socks to play ball. That was it. Now you got something for every single activity you could imagine. Now we're adding wearable tech to it. Well, that's a whole different animal. You do have to change, and you do have to change your mix of what we do. Now, we changed our name in 2009 to better reflect what we were doing, because we were working with all kinds of industries, and if you give a furniture customer a hosiery card, they kind of look at you kind of funny. So our hosiery business is still very strong, so is our textile business, but we're doing structural testing for furniture. We end up working on Humvee seats to all kinds of products. The NCMEP has been a huge help for us in our growth. We may not even be here without the NCMEP. When we started, we didn't have a whole lot of resources, and we're trying to help manufacturers. And they bring a whole cadre of different partners, different approaches, different resources that we couldn't have. Their mission is exactly the same as ours, to create jobs. And really they look at dollar bottom line impact, increasing sales, increasing efficiency. And that's what we're going to do if we're going to create jobs, which is our mission.